Good morning. Welcome to your 10-minute yoga flow. Inhale, stretch the arms out and up. Come up on your tippy toes. Exhale your heels to the mat. Inhale with great control, lifting up on the toes. Exhale, twist open towards your right. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, twisting open towards your left. Warming up the spine here. Linking breath with movement. Inhale up. Exhale, twist open. Inhale, rise up on your tippy toes. And exhale, twisting open. Grounding the heels, stepping forward to your mat. Inhale, sit down deep, lift the arms. And exhale, making sure that your low back is long and strong. Bringing your hands to your heart. Inhale, come up. Exhale, sit down even deeper than you want to, hands to heart. Inhale, find strength in the legs, lift up. Exhale, sit down deep. Inhale, straighten the legs a tiny bit. Exhale, sit down even deeper than you want to. Almost done. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, hands to the heart and fold forward over the legs. Inhale, lengthen the spine, fingertips to the thighs. Exhale to fold. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, long neck. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Last time, find even more length in the spine. And exhale, fold. Step back with the left foot. Come forward on the left toes and lower the left knee down to the mat. Relax your shoulder blades away from your ears. Inhale, lift out and up, low lunge. And exhale, release the arms down. Inhale, sweep the arms forward and up. Exhale, relax and release the arms. Inhale, gravitate your inner thighs toward midline. Exhale, release the hips. Inhale, find strength in the legs, lift up. Exhale, allow the hips to open and soften. Release your fingertips to the mat. Inhale, sweep your right arm up. Exhale, sweep it underneath the right thigh. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sweep the arm under. Inhale, open across the chest. Exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine. Inhale, extend the spine and lengthen. Exhale, sweep the arm underneath. And slowly straighten the leg. Lengthen the spine, flex the toes toward you, grab onto the outside of the right shin or foot and fold. Inhale, rebend into the front knee. And on your exhalation, ground the hands. Step the right foot back, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Long spine. Check in with your breath. On every inhalation, expand into your belly, into your sideways, spread across the heart. Every exhalation, engage the pelvic floor, pull the belly button in towards the spine and up. Inhale forward to plank, knees to the mat, elbows close to the side body, lower down to your belly. Inhale, Bhujangasana, lift up. Exhale, lower with length back down. Engage the thighs. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down with length. Pull the heart forward and up. And exhale, lower slowly down. Extend the arms back behind you. Lift the legs. Interlace the hands. Press the fists back towards the heels here in Shalabhasana. Bring your legs so they're hip width, no wider. And see if you can lift up a little higher here, strengthening the low back. Then release your forehead to the tops of your hands, bend your knees, allow your knees to soften as you swing your heels from left to right. Extend your legs out long behind you. Bring your hands next to your heart. Lift up, Bhujangasana, Or lift your legs up away from the mat, Urdhva Mukha Shavasana, upward dog. Pull your heart forward in between your hands. Then bring your knees to the mat, shift your seat to your heels. Come up on the fingertips in traction, so really pull the hips back. Then bring your fingertips over to the right, pull the left hip back. Open up the left side body. Then bring your fingertips towards your left, pull your right hip back, open up the right side body. Bring your hands forward, come to tabletop. Bring your left foot in between the hands, no rush. Make sure your knee doesn't go farther than your ankle. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and allow your body to soften and release. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, release the arms down. Inhale, sweep the arms forward and up. Exhale, release, relax. On your inhalation, strengthen the legs. Exhale, allow the hips to soften. One more time, inhale up. Exhale, slowly release, stretch the arms forward. Inhale, reach up out of the low back, go back. And exhale, reground your hands to the earth to frame the foot. Sweep the left arm up. And exhale, sweep your left arm underneath your left leg. A few more times here. Then bring your hand back down to the earth, straighten your front leg. Flex your toes towards you, grab onto the outside of the left shin or the left foot. Pull the right elbow towards the right. Fold forward any amount. Inhale, come up, reground into the front foot. Bring the left knee back to meet the right and come into Adho Mukha Shavasana. Stretch the spine. Step the feet to the hands. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Press your feet outwards. Then step back with the right foot. Reach back for the inside edge of the back foot. If you want to go deeper, kick the foot into the hand. Kick massively back through the foot into the hand and stretch the left arm forward for dancer's pose. Release the pose. Hands to heart, other side. Bring the left toes back. Grab for the inside edge of the left foot and kick back any amount. Try to keep your hips level and your shoulders as level as possible as you stretch forward through the fingertips and kick back through the foot. Inhale, release the pose, hands to heart. Inhale, stretch the palms out and up. Exhale, lower with serenity and grace. Inhale, lift up, invite in hope. Exhale, twist open, make space for something new. Inhale, lift up on your toes. Exhale, release all that no longer serves you. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, fold forward, heart first, brain second. Inhale, sit all the way down onto the mat. And exhale, move around towards the long edge, opening your legs out wide in a V, flexing your toes towards you, and folding forward any amount here. On every inhalation, find more length, and every exhalation, surrender deeper into the pose. And it doesn't matter if your legs are only a little bit far apart. Wherever you are is beautiful. You're perfect just as you are. Inhale, rise up, bend your knees, twisting open towards your right. then slowly switching, twisting open towards your left. I'm wishing you a day full of delight, laughter, and radiant health. Namaste.